Hello, friends! It's so wonderful to see you all here today. I'm incredibly excited to embark on a brand new adventure with each and every one of you. We're going to learn so many new and exciting things together. Are you ready to explore the weather with me? I hope you are, because we're about to dive into a world of sunshine, rain, and everything in between. Get ready to point your fingers to the sky and discover the wonders of our atmosphere. Today, we'll discover what it's like outside, sunny or rainy. We'll explore the differences between these two types of weather and learn how they affect the world around us. From bright sunny skies to gentle rainy days, we'll uncover the magic of each. The weather is always changing, and it's fun to see what each day brings. One moment it might be clear and sunny, and the next, clouds might roll in and bring a refreshing rain shower. It's like a surprise every day. Let's be weather explorers. We'll use our senses and our curiosity to uncover the secrets of the weather. We'll become detectives of the sky, observing and learning as we go. Use your looking eyes, blink, blink. Open them wide and observe everything around you. Notice the colors, the shapes, and the movements in the sky. What do you see? And your listening ears, beep, beep. Listen closely to the sounds of the weather. Can you hear the wind rustling through the trees? Or the gentle patter of raindrops on the roof? Sometimes the sky is bright and blue, filled with sunshine that warms our skin and makes us feel happy. It's perfect for playing outside and enjoying the day. Sometimes it's gray and cloudy. The clouds might cover the sun and make the day feel a little bit cooler. But even cloudy days can be beautiful in their own way. We'll learn about sunny days and rainy days. Both are special. Each type of weather has its own unique characteristics and benefits. They both play an important role in our world. The sun is warm and yellow, a giant ball of light and energy that keeps our planet alive. It's essential for all living things on Earth, helping flowers grow. The sun's rays provide the energy that plants need to create food and flourish. Without the sun, our world would be a very different place. Rain goes pitter-patter, a gentle sound that can be both calming and refreshing. Each raindrop is a tiny gift from the sky and gives plants a drink. Rainwater is essential for plants to grow and thrive. It nourishes them from the roots up, helping them to stay strong and healthy. No matter the weather, we can have fun if we know what to wear and do. Whether it's sunny, rainy, or somewhere in between, there are always ways to enjoy the day. We just need to be prepared and use our imaginations. Ready to start our adventure? Let's go! I can't wait to explore the wonders of the weather with you. Get ready for a journey filled with discovery and fun. Imagine a day when the sun is shining bright, filling the sky with its golden light. It's a perfect day for outdoor adventures and making happy memories. On sunny days, we can play outside and feel the warm sunshine. We can run, jump, and explore the world around us, soaking up the sun's energy and enjoying the beautiful weather. Can you pretend the sun is shining on your face? Feels nice, right? Close your eyes and imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin. It's a comforting and energizing feeling. Sunny days make me happy. Do they make you happy too? I love the feeling of sunshine on my face and the energy it gives me. It's a wonderful way to start the day. Let's get ready to learn all about the big bright sun. We'll discover its importance, its power, and its beauty. Get ready to become experts on the sun. Look at this big yellow sun. Isn't it magnificent? It's shining so brightly in the sky, filling everything with its warm golden light. The sun is like a giant ball of fire way up high, and it's so important for our planet. The sun is a giant star, much bigger than anything we can imagine here on Earth. It's so far away, but its light and energy travel all that distance to reach us. Without the sun, our world would be a very different place. The sun is what gives us light and warmth. It's what makes our days bright and cheerful. Imagine a world without sunlight. It would be dark and cold all the time. The sun's rays are like a warm hug, making us feel good inside. When the sun is out, peeking through the clouds or shining in a clear blue sky, it's a sunny day. It's a perfect day for adventures and fun. Sunny days make everything seem a little bit brighter and happier. Can you say, sunny day? Great! Saying it makes me feel happy already. Sunny days are the best, aren't they? They bring so much joy and energy to our lives. Sunny days are perfect for playing outside, running around and having fun with your friends. You can build sandcastles, play tag, or even have a picnic in the park. The possibilities are endless when the sun is shining. Sunny days are also great for seeing bright colors, like the vibrant petals of flowers in a garden. The sunlight makes all the colors pop and look even more beautiful. It's like the world is putting on a colorful show just for us. And of course, sunny days are perfect for feeling happy. The sunshine makes us feel good and it puts a smile on our faces. It's hard to be sad on a sunny day, isn't it? The sun helps trees, flowers, and all the plants around us grow big and strong. They need sunlight to make their food, just like we need food to grow. The sun is like a giant chef for the plant world. And even fruits and veggies grow with the help of the sun. That's right, the juicy apples, crunchy carrots, and sweet strawberries all need sunshine to become delicious and nutritious. So thank you, sun, for our yummy food. Let's pretend to be the sun. Make your arms big and round and shine. Stretch them out wide and feel the warmth of the imaginary sun on your face. Can you feel the energy? The sun wakes up in the morning, bringing light to the world after a long night. It's like a gentle alarm clock, telling us it's time to start a new day. And then, at the end of the day, the sun goes to sleep at night, painting the sky with beautiful colors as it sets. It's like a goodnight kiss from the sky, telling us to rest and recharge for another sunny day. Thank you, sun. When it shines, I want to sing a happy song. The sun makes me want to dance and celebrate all the good things in life. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me, and on everyone else too. We all need your warmth and light to thrive. The sun helps everything grow and makes the world beautiful, from the tallest trees to the smallest flowers. It's the life force that keeps our planet healthy and vibrant. Look at pictures of children playing, laughing, and having the best time in the sunshine. Their joy is contagious, isn't it? And sunflowers turning to the sun, always seeking its warmth and light. They're like little sun worshippers, always facing the source of their energy. Sunny days are full of light, color, and fun. They're a reminder to appreciate the simple things in life and to enjoy every moment. Now let's see what we need to wear to be comfortable and safe in the sun. It's important to protect ourselves from those strong rays. To get ready for the sunshine, we need a hat to shield our faces, sunglasses to protect our eyes, and maybe even some sunscreen to keep our skin safe. It's important to be prepared so we can enjoy the sunny day to the fullest. On a sunny day, we need to protect ourselves from the sun. First, sunglasses. They keep our eyes safe from bright light. Pretend to put on your sunglasses. So cool. Next, a sun hat with a big brim to shade your face. Put on your pretend hat. Pat, pat. We also need sunscreen to protect our skin. Rub some on your arms, legs, and face. Good job. Now let's check. Sunglasses? Check. Sun hat? Check. Sunscreen? Check. Give yourself a big hug for being safe. We're ready for our sunny day adventure. Let's go outside and see what we can do in the sunshine. Weather explorers, let's go. I can't wait to see what we discover together. Ready for some sunny fun? Let's look outside on a sunny day. What do we see? The sky is bright blue, sometimes with fluffy white clouds. Pretend to be a cloud. Float around. On sunny days, we can watch clouds see our shadows and play outside. Try waving or jumping. Does your shadow copy you? The sun makes flowers and grass look bright and colorful. Find something bright in your room. Point to it. We can go to the playground, have a picnic, or play with water to stay cool. Splish, splash. Sunny days are full of fun things to do. Hooray for the sun! But sometimes, the weather changes. What happens when clouds cover the sun? Let's find out about rainy days. The sky is changing. Gray clouds are covering the sun. It's a rainy day. Rain falls from the clouds. Pitter-patter. Make a pitter-patter sound with your fingers, just like rain. Rainy days are different but can be just as fun. Rain helps plants grow and keeps everything green. Sometimes we hear thunder, boom, and see lightning, flash. When it's stormy, it's best to stay cozy inside. Listen to the rain build a fort, read books or color pictures, or sing a rainy day song. Rain, rain, go away. Rainy days are special in their own way. Now let's see what we need to wear to go outside in the rain. Ready to splash in puddles? Let's get dressed for the rain. Uh-oh, it looks like it's raining outside. But don't worry, rainy days can be lots of fun. To go outside on a rainy day, we need special clothes to keep us warm and dry, so we can enjoy the weather without getting soaked. Let's get ready to explore the wonders of a rainy day. First, a raincoat. A bright and cheerful raincoat will keep the rain off our clothes. Pretend to put it on. Slip your arms in one at a time. Now zip it up, all the way to the top, so no raindrops can sneak in. Next, rain boots. Stomp, stomp. These special boots will keep our feet nice and dry as we splash through puddles. Put them on and give them a good stomp to make sure they're ready for some puddle jumping action. Rain boots keep our feet dry and are perfect for puddle jumping. Big puddles, small puddles, we can splash in them all. Let's see how high we can splash the water. Now, an umbrella. This will keep the rain off our heads. Pretend to open it. Whoosh! Hear that sound as it pops open? Hold it over your head, nice and high, so you stay dry underneath. Let's check. Raincoat? Check. We're all zipped up and ready to go. Rain boots? Check. Our feet are snug and dry, ready for any puddle. Umbrella? Check. We're protected from the raindrops falling from the sky. We're ready for the rain. We have everything we need to stay dry and have fun. With our rain gear, we can explore outside and stay dry. We can discover all sorts of interesting things on a rainy day. The world looks different when it's wet. Let's go see what a rainy day looks like. The raindrops are falling, the clouds are gray, and everything is fresh and clean. Weather explorers, let's go! It's time to put on our adventurous spirit and see what we can find. We're going to have so much fun splashing in puddles. Let's see who can make the biggest splash. Don't forget to look for surprises in the rain. Sometimes the rain brings out worms or makes the flowers look extra bright. Ready for a rainy day adventure? Let's make some memories in the rain. Let's go outside and explore. There's a whole new world to discover, even when it's raining. Splash, splash. Let's enjoy the sound of the rain and the feel of the puddles beneath our feet. We're dressed for the rain. Let's see what we find. Rain makes everything wet and shiny. Leaves have drops like tiny jewels, and puddles appear everywhere. Jump in a puddle, splash, see your reflection and the ripples. Sometimes worms come out to say hello. After the rain, look for a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Draw a rainbow in the air. Whoosh! Rainy days are beautiful and full of surprises. Listen to the rain, watch raindrops race down the window and smell the fresh air. Splashing in puddles is so much fun. Rainy days are a different kind of adventure. Both sunny and rainy days are wonderful. I love them both, don't you? Weather is amazing. Let's remember what we learned about sunny and rainy days. On sunny days, we see the big bright sun and feel warm. On rainy days, we see gray clouds and feel cool. Both are important for our world. Look at pictures, sunny days with blue skies and kids playing, rainy days with puddles and raincoats. We have fun no matter the weather, just wear the right clothes. On sunny days, sunglasses, sun hats, sunscreen. On rainy days, raincoat, boots, umbrella. We play outside, have picnics or splash in puddles. Every day is a new weather adventure. You're becoming a weather expert. I'm proud of you for learning so much. Let's keep exploring the weather together. Goodbye, friends. We had so much fun being weather explorers. You learned about sunny days and rainy days and what to wear for each. Now I have a job for you. Be a real weather explorer. Go to a window and look outside. What do you see? Is it sunny or rainy today? Tell your grown-up. Every day is a new weather adventure. You can draw a picture of today's weather, sun or rain. Thank you for exploring with me. Keep looking, asking questions, and discovering the world around you. I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever the weather. See you next time for more fun and learning. Goodbye, friends. Wave goodbye.